Meaning of foreclose.
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 Foreclose. Foreclosure is a legal process by which a lender takes possession of a mortgaged property when the borrower fails to meet their mortgage obligations. The result of foreclosure is that the borrower loses their rights to the property and it is typically sold at auction to recoup the outstanding debt. Foreclosure can have significant consequences for borrowers, including damage to their credit score and a loss of their investment in the property. It is generally considered a last resort for lenders and is typically only initiated after a borrower has demonstrated an extended period of non-payment.